Today we're making slime, and you guys are probably wondering why I have a lollipop in my mouth. I just wanted to eat one.
But guys, before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe so that you can get more videos every other day.
These are the ingredients that you're gonna need. You're gonna need some borax, and then you mix it with water. And then you're gonna need some glue. You can use any glue. You can use glitter glue, white glue, clear glue. It doesn't really matter. And then you need a mixing tool, and you're gonna need baking soda. So this can be, you can have any baking soda, so yeah. So let's get started. I'm gonna get some water, just put it in a bowl, any bowl. Then you're just gonna need to put a little bit of borax in there. Mix it until it's all dissolved, because you don't want any chunks in there. Okay guys, I finished my lollipop, so I won't need that. Okay, it's all mixed in. So now you're going to need to put in your glue in the bucket. I'll put this right there. And yeah, you're just gonna open your glue bottle. Now I'm not going to use all of it because I'm going to save some to make later some days. Okay. Now I've put as much as I wanted to put. So now I'm going to need to add some borax in there. So just maybe a little at a time. And then you just got to put a little bit more, and then you start mixing. What it looks like so far. It still has a little bit of water in it, but that's okay, because sometimes it dissolves, sometimes it doesn't, so you can just pour it out. Okay. When it's a little bit sticky, but it's like, it looks like you want to add a bit more Just to let you know, my brother's going to be making his slime after this. I don't think I mixed it with baking soda as much. Yeah, so this is what it might look like, but there won't be this white stuff here because I didn't mix it in properly. But I think I'm gonna make a bit more because like it's like rubber kind of, because I think I added a bit too much of the borax. So I'm just gonna put this back in. I'm just gonna put just a little bit more glue. Okay, just gonna put there, and then yeah, I'm just gonna add a little bit of glue. And then I'm just gonna make the same slime, but I'm not gonna add too much borax. Actually, I might not put borax. I might, but it'll just be like. Way much stretchier than before when I added a bit more glue in there. So way much better, cooler. But I still have some on here, just a little bit. I'm gonna be shining all day with this glitter. Let's see if it can poke. Yep. Poking test good. Now the window test. Just trying to make it boring. Sure if you guys can see, but I'm starting to make a window. It's starting to get more clear. There we go. Now I'm starting to make. Thank you guys for watching, and please comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any of our videos. See you guys next time. Bye.